Welcome back to FridgeFacts, everyone. It is Sunday, January 11th, and for the first time in FridgeFacts history, I have an unscripted Fridge Fact for you. The Eagles just lost to the 49ers in the NFL wildcard round of the 2025 postseason. They are no longer going to be able to defend their Super Bowl championship, and our Fridge Fact of the day is that the Kevin Patullo experience was an experience from hell. It was brutal. It was not fun. I wouldn't wish it on almost all of my worst enemies. It was brutal. It sucks. I hate losing. We'll always be Super Bowl champions forever, but it was a very unfun, unwatchable for the most part type of title defense year from our Philadelphia Eagles, and a lot of that has to do with the Kevin Patullo experience. I hope it gets fixed by the time we all wake up in the morning, because we can't let Jalen Hurts and the rest of these wildly talented players down like we did this year by appointing an unqualified buffoon to be our offensive coordinator and calling plays. It's GoBirds forever, but man, this season was brutal. I'll see you tomorrow for another Fridge Fact.